In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find cPanel on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in this beginning of this tutorials, we would like to show you how to access cPanel on your GoDaddy account or domain name on GoDaddy. So let's just open a new tab. Of course, if you want to access your cPanel, of course, you can get like your cPanel username from the settings section, first of all, and your account dashboard. So just go and get that. And if you haven't changed your cPanel password to something you know, of course, your cPanel password and your primary FTS password are the same thing. You can just go and do that as well. So once you open a new tab, and as we said, you would like to have access or to get into your cPanel, simply you'll have to type on the URL section https two dots two slash, and here simply you'll have to enter your domain name. Let's say as an example, your domain name is, I don't know, Facebook. Let's just pretend it's Facebook. And of course, you'll have to add the .com if it's in your domain name. Then simply slash cpanel and hit the enter button. Then they'll ask you actually to log in with your username and password. As I said, username you can get it from the settings section in your account's dashboard, and the password you'll have just to change it up if it's your first time. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.